It is 1:58 in the morning. Can you see that?
Huh?
Damn, hold on. Damn, it is. Alright, it is 1:58 in the morning. Look how deep the snow is.
It's damn what keeping you. Damn, no, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Jeez. Damn. That's so beautiful. I'm dead cool. It's hot. Yes. Look at it. It's all ice in there. Look. It's weird. Turn it on. What? So it doesn't all come out. Oh, that's ice. It's all ice in there. See the freaking milk gallon in there. No, really? That is not easy.
Lift your feet up slow.
Huh?
Lift your feet up one by one. Hey, take it out so I can see how deep it is. Yeah, bigger.
It's deeper than that, though, because that's just my foot spray going down. Damn. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. Let me tell you.
Okay, hold it. Record it.
It's recording? Yeah. Ooh. It is really cold.
Oh, shit. Stay right there, Michael. We'll have to slide that way.
Are you gonna slide? We should go down the hill.
There's no hills out here.
Yes, it is. That is a hill right there.
Where?
over there going down the main road.
Oh, I don't know. That's like a mad deep.
Try going that way.
I don't know. It's mad deep right now.
Wow.
We'll make some more videos tomorrow.
We off this.